Hey traders, Todd here with tradinganalysis.com. This is going to be a free video update for Tuesday, October 11th. And the main markets that are moving in here are crude and bonds. Stock indexes are super quiet as we're heading into earnings. So let's just focus here. And some of the movement that we are seeing in the stock markets is very much related to both bonds and the level of interest rates, which are directly related, and the crude oil market, specifically energy stocks. So bonds look to be dropping here in a 5-wave move, a nice 1-2, and then we'll go down inside a red 3, which breaks down into a nice 5-wave move like that. Then we're moving back up in 4. We do have minor and major power wave sell levels right here that did offer wave 4 support, wave 4 resistance for a wave 5 move down. Now we have the buy side power wave levels. You got the minor that's being tested and the major right down here at about 161. On top of that, you have a pretty good clustering of fib support right inside of these buy levels. Okay, so if we just kind of zone in here, your buy level in the bonds is 163 down to 161. If we overlay TLT, if you prefer to trade that ETF, here's the equivalent levels. It in there. It's not perfect because TLT tracks 20 plus US treasuries, and we're charting the 30-year future, but it's pretty close. And the equivalent over there in the TLT is, if you look at support here, let's give it to you on the left scale. It's going to range from 133.5 down to 132.15. Okay, so 133.5 to 132.15 is your TLT equivalent downside support. Okay, as we move from bonds, let's go over to crude oil. Crude, we have off of that $26 low. That's the low that I got on CNBC. It was credited for. That was pretty fun using fib and Elliott. We've got a nice 5-wave move off the lows, followed by an ABC setback right to the 38% retracement. And now we're gearing up for the next red impulsive rally. So the first one was red 1. Here's your correction in red 2, and here we are in red 3. So as we break down, as always, the red wave 3 will break down into 5 smaller waves. And so far, it looks like we have a first and a second. It looks to be that we're rallying up in a third of a third, and this is usually where the biggest gains are made. So we have some nice agreements here. We have the major power wave sell level at 53.72, which also matches up with a 100% Fibonacci projection of this first wave compared to this third wave. Being that this is a third of a third wave, we are most definitely expecting this to be exceeded and reach the more traditional 1.618 fib projection. So really nice little agreement between the two levels here, the power wave and the 100% fib projection. It should be resistance, albeit temporary, 54 breaks, and then it should get you up into the 60s there in wave 3. So we've got some production freeze by supplying nations, and fundamentals and technicals look to be lining up. So we're going to be looking to set up these trades with our customers on the top side. All right, we'll leave it there, guys. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe as well if you'd like to get these videos in real time. And we will see you on the next video update. Earnings season's here. It's quiet, so we're just focusing in on bonds and commodities for now. Leave it there. Talk to you soon.